Can you see my screen, guys? Please let me start box. So I will start. Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
sir.
So now I will designing. Let's say row and column. Uh, Row and okay. So next I will designing the body. It's a class. I need that file to file from link that bootstrap. So pass a link CSS. It's like dot class node module. Inside we have bootstrap this css bootstrap dot css dot css. Okay. So next is like a script src dot slash node modules. Inside we have bootstrap and this js bootstrap bundle.js. Okay. So next thing I will write container fluid container lg is large, mt for medium, sm for small, xl for extra large, container x double xl means extra large. Okay. So I don't need that one, so I will using container fluid for responsive design. Okay. So next thing I will show you how like row and column work. First when I get div inside I will using like row, sorry, it's class row. Okay. If I show you that row. Okay. So next thing is I will write something inside that. It's like first row, first row. Okay. And I will doing a giving color inside that bg. What is that color? I will give you light or primary. Okay. Next thing I will designing another row. It's class and say row. Okay. And it's my name. I don't need any of that color. So next thing I will designing. This one is my div. I need another div. Yeah. Then so first one is I will give in class name. We have class name is Hull, caps lock on. So first one it's call. If you want call 10 or 1, 11, whatever you need to insert inside that. I need 4. Okay. Column 4. So if I write it's first column UMN column, and I will write inside that its class, and we have call 4 also. Okay. So this is the second column. Second column. Okay, I will give the particular color background color inside that. So bg success, inside that I will using bg info. Okay. So I'll open that one. Wait, it's opening soon. Okay. So this is my first row. I use that one. This is my first row, and this is a column. If I write another column inside that, so another column, wait, I will write another one. It's div. Okay. Inside class, it's call 4, and second, the third column. Sorry, third column. Okay. So I will show you, but I need another color inside that. So I will using bg light info gradient danger. I will use that, and text color I will give you text light. Okay. Okay, this is the row and we have 3 column inside that. If you want another 2 column after that and below of that, so you need to be right inside div. So this is my div. Okay, I need more div inside that div. Okay, so that's my done. So it's class name, you have to write col. If you write 6 column 6 you can. If you want col 7. Okay, and this one is the my class row. Okay, and that one is like fourth column. Okay, done. So it's five five column. Okay, that's it is in that what is that, that below of that, because I will show you why it's in that below. Wait, I will give the color, it's better. In bg it's warning, and it's bg slide info gradient. I'm using gradient. Okay, if I using 6 inside that, let's see what happens. So it will be set according to that. Why it is not next line? Because the bit is taking 12 column. That's why I will if you add 6 it's 12. If I using 7 is a 13. That's why it's not taking. It will be go to the next line. Okay, so you have to remember all these things. I will change that name. It's sorry, color primary. Okay, that's fine. So if you want to in that center all these things, you can do by using text center. Okay, and this one is also text center. Wait, text center. Okay, done all these things. If you need like all that, you can copy that one and paste inside that. Okay, I will change. See, this one I require and this one also I require. Okay, so if you want like fast row will be in that center, you can it's like fast row. I will use center. Wait, what happened? Text center. Okay, so I need, if I using margin inside that, it's taking, it's margin margin S5 will be in that. But if you want to in that by using what is that CSS, we can do that. If it's not working, then you can use CSS and we can do that all these things. Okay, so what is MS and M? I told you like yesterday in that before version is 4.6, we are using right means margin right, we are using ML, and for margin left we are using MR. It's margin right for MR and margin left for ML. But now onward it's 5 point a new version, is a update version is 5 point something. So in that, if you want in that left side, then you have to use MS for a margin start. Okay, if you want to margin right, then you have to use M sorry, N. Okay, and E, sorry, it's ME. Okay, so ME. Wait. Okay, it's working fine. If you require margin and it's the right side, then you have to use ME, and if you require left side, then you have to use margin start MS. Okay, I hope you understand. If you require inside the below of that or top of that, so you have to use MT. It's margin top. Okay, margin top I require 4. Okay, margin top. If you require margin bottom, then you have to use margin bottom. Okay, so one thing we have to remember, have you observed when I write like MP, it will be only 0 1 2 3 4 5 also there. but not more than that is also there. Because if it's a default like we are using. If you require more margin, then you have to need to use what is that, css. Okay, and you can write inside that large margin mb, large like margin bottom large, margin sm large you can. Okay, if I write margin large for this one. Okay, so if you require like in between that, if you require more space, then you need to use css. By using css we can do that. Okay, so I hope you understand how it's like row and column work, and how we can do that, like margin left right all these things. If you require padding, I will show you that one also for better understanding. Margin it's padding is that I will show you padding s. Okay, ps means padding start. Okay, if you require padding start for, it will not show or not show you, because wait, I will show you that. If I remove the center, let's show you better. Okay, type of that one, it will be in that padding. Okay, if I open in that inspect, then you have to understand better what is padding and what is like margin. I will show you that. We have layout in that, I think. Not layout, we have computer. Yeah, so I will select one things. This one is a row. Yeah, inside that I require, yeah, this one is that, and inside I have two column. This one is a column. Okay, so I will show you inside that. So wait. Okay, wait, yeah, so this one is the content, this is the padding. As you that one is padding is marked inside that. Okay, and we have like border, no border we are giving inside that, and margin. Okay, this is margin, border, padding we are giving inside that, but margin border we are not given inside that. That's why it's not showing in that form. So this is a content. Okay, I hope you understand what is content, and padding all these things in the before in that css and html also. So you have got a decent idea about what is like start if you want to use the margin, then you have to use ml sorry, it's ms for left side, and right side for you have to use me. Okay, if you want to padding, then you have to use ps and pe for right, and if you want, yeah, want to like top of that, then you have to use pt, it's padding top, and if you want to bottom, then you have to use pp for like padding bottom. Okay, these are the thing you have to remember. This is not like critical thing. Then you have to like padding is p, fast letter is p, that's why you have to remember easily. Okay, so next I will discuss with you image img, and then I have give that one slash. Okay, done. So I will select one of the fish. Okay, and width is 50 pixel, and height is 50 pixel. Okay, let's see its image show in that form. Like, sir, what is the use of empty? Empty use for margin top. Okay, by that, like naming, you have to understand m for margin, t for top. Okay, okay. But you are little confusing inside that, like margin left, margin right, because it's changing to the margin ms and m e. So at first I am confusing also in that form, like what is the margin left, how can I manage the margin left and margin right. So you have to little confusing that, but you have to remember what are the changes in that, like update version, you have to remember this. Okay, so next thing is yeah, it's coming now in that form. So I want something picture will be in that large size, so I will change that one. It's what is that, 150 pixel, and this one is a 100 pixel. Let's see size. Yeah, so I need something class inside that for writing this bootstrap. So first thing I require to given that margin top, because it's margin top, it's 5. Okay, done. So I require margin. If you want to give in the margin, then you have to use M, and if you want like padding, then you have to use padding P. Okay, it's like control all that, like left, right, bottom, and like top. It will control all these things. Okay, if I write margin top, sorry, it's not auto, it's 5. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, and that like left, right, top, bottom, all these things is 5. Okay, so I need, yeah, so image fluid. Thumbnail, what is thumbnail? I will show you, then I will show you fluid. Okay, thumbnail means it will be showing that like a border. I will show you that one. Yeah, so have you of that one? If you need that type of like picture will be in that, then you have to use image thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, then you have to, if you want the picture will be in that responsive, then you have to use fluid, image fluid. Okay, so I will show you that one. Wait. So wait. Yeah, I need to more picture width will be, I will increase inside that width. It's like 450, and this one height is also, it's like 350. Okay, that's 350. Let's see, its height is, yeah. So if I using in that Moto G4, let's see, it will be according to that, it will be set. Okay, if I change that one, it's better. Mode width is I require, it's 650. Okay, so if I open the Moto G4, it's set according to that, and this one is just according to that, and this one is also according to that. Okay, if I open in that laptop, let's see, the picture is that much height and width. If I open that one in that like mobile and whatever, then it will be size changing automatically. Okay, if you want to change the size automatically, then you have to use image fluid. Okay, I hope you understand what is like image fluid, all these things. If you any doubt, you can ask me. Then we have to go table. Okay, so table. So deep inside, I will write the table. So class table. Inside, I need to be what is that? In the table we have table row, table data, table heading. All these things are there. Okay, I need to write tr. Okay, table row inside table heading, and this is the heading. I will write inside that. This is the heading. Heading. So next I will designing tr, okay, and td. It's table data. Inside that I will write it's like first column, and we have second data, second column. Okay, so I'll open that one. It is not in that like table form. I need more changes. Why? Wait, I will change something inside that table over, table active, table border. I need table border. Till now it's not working. Okay, wait. Table danger, table hover, all these things are there, but I need table what is that? Table, yeah, table hover I require. Table hover. HOV. Till now, okay. So table border I done that one. Wait, I will check what happened. Table primary, all these things we are using. Wait a minute.
Sir,
Yeah.
ऐसा है क्या कि आपने टेबल के अंदर नहीं लिखा है ये टेबल हेड एंड टेबल रो?
मैं इस थोड़ा देखता हूँ, इसके बाद बताऊंगा आपको। वेट, yeah, that's right, I think. That's fine now. So I acquire table LG or SM small. So table small, we had done that, but it's taking whole bit. Okay. So if I writing inside the table row, table, sorry, it's table row, and inside I need the content. It's footer content. That's right. But I will show you that what is hover all these things. I will remove all these things, then I will show you. Better I will taking that one in that comment. Okay. So have you observed that one inside that, like a mark coming in that? If I mouse over on that, it will be shown in that form. Okay. So this is that some hover. Okay, hover. I will give that hover now inside that. So that's why it's shown in that hover. Okay. And wait, I will check that what happened in the footer content. Footer is not coming below that. Wait. It's like calls fan. Two. Yeah, done. And next we have to writing inside that also. uh, wait, I will need to write the td. That's why it's not td, it's like. And inside I need something class, sorry, not class, it's called span. It's two also. Okay, because I want to divide that one in the two part. Okay, I use that one, it's working fine, but I need that content in the center. So it's text center, and this one is a text center. It's not working. Okay. Not an issue. I will. Okay, okay. I will write inside the call span. Nah, I need to earn the class. Sorry. Why it's not working? I will check that one. Pass or text center. Wait. Center. Okay. Let's see. It's yeah. It's in fine now. And I need that class. I will copy that from that, and I'll paste inside that. Okay, done. This is the table we have. You can divide it the particularly in that three column, like column. If you want another one, you have to write third one, and this is third column, third column. Okay. If you want color, then you have to use class inside pg. It's like primary. Okay. Then you have to write class pg secondary. Okay. Then if you want another color inside that, then you have to use pg. It's like info. Done. Okay. It will be shown a different color. Okay. If you require like heading part and content part, then you have to use a particular color. If you want text color, then you have to use text color, whatever you need. Okay. I hope you understand what is like uh, table. Inside we have table hover we are using. If I move that mouse to that particular table, that it show me that like something hover inside that. Okay. So why it's taking in that like two part, I need whole span 3. That's why it's wait, I'll say that one. Done. Okay. So this is the table form. Okay. So I hope you understand table also, and what is table and table border. And if I don't need table border, then you have to use table. I'll show you table border less. Okay. We don't have any particular border in that around of that. Okay, if you want border, then you have to use bordered, and if you don't want, then you have to use bordered less. Okay, border less. And table order, you have to understand table SM, table LG, table MD, all these things are there. And yes, TR, all these things you know that already. Next we have to go for word and margin padding, top, bottom, left, right. You have to understand all these things. Okay. So what is things we have to discuss? Next, wait, I'll check. Next thing is, so next thing I will show you button. Okay. So how button work and how we can build a button. So I will give the comment done. So I'm using button. So first thing is I will designing the button buttn button. Okay, and inside that I will using submit. Okay, then if you require button, then you have to use btn for button. Okay, and btn primary, btn secondary means color. If you want color inside that particular uh, button, then you have to use color primary. Okay, this is a button. It's like a button. Okay, and if you're using button outline primary, what is affected, I will show you. Button outline danger I will use inside that. Okay, this is a danger, but if I mouse over on that, it will be show me in that background color. This is the outline whatever color you, if you want to apply inside that. This is something what is that, but bottom outline and bottom color whatever. Okay, if you want to apply something button group, then you have to use button group. I will show you that one also. Wait, so I will create another something. Okay, done. So I need button group, so I will using div wait, div inside I will press it, and I'm using inside its class btn group. Okay, and if you want to change the color, then you can. It's info, and it's cancel button, cancel, and this one is the primary, and this one is the secondary. Okay, and this one is the what is that, info success, and we have color danger, and we have warning. Okay, and I will change its confirm. Okay, next thing is that reset. Okay, next I will doing cancel the done. Okay, next what the button is there, submit, we done that one I think. Yeah, submit done, and login, and we have register, login, register, and click here. Okay, I will design click here. Wait, click here. Okay, these are the something button group. If you need button type, this type of, then you have to use button group. Okay, so if you want to in the middle, then you have to use margin inside that. I'm using margin M5. Okay, I will show you in that one. Yeah, this is the a color inside. We have button, and if you want in the group button, then you have to use button group, btn group. And if you want to like, we'll open that one, this one, what is that? Yeah, so inside, if you require only color, then you have to use btn. If you require color, then you have to use button outline danger, whatever color you want. Okay, if you want to customize this thing, then you have to customize by using css. Okay, I hope you understand what is button and how it's work. Okay. Then we have to designing modal. Okay. What is modal? Means when I click a button, then I need to show the pop-up box, pop-up screen in the middle of that screen. In that, I will enter some whatever I need. I will enter inside that, and I will submit or cancel or reset whatever I need. I will be writing inside that. Okay. Wait, I will show you what is modal. It's modal. I will show you. Yeah. So I will designing another file. It's modal.html. Model is like more interesting if you like see that one, because I'm much interested in that inside the model, because it's a pop-up screen and it's a more responsive. All these things are there. I'll show you modal.html. Right. .html. Okay, done. So next thing I will using HTML, and inside I will write in modal. It's modal. Okay. So next thing I will link that all the file of the Bootstrap, but CSS file and JavaScript file. So I will link it's CSS, link CSS. Okay. So inside I need to link that file. It's dot slash node module, and we have Bootstrap and this CSS bootstrap.css. Bootstrap, right, bootstrap.css. Okay. And next thing is script src dot slash what is that we have to use node modules bootstrap this js bootstrap bundle.js. Okay, done. So I need another file. Wait, I will check that file name, because I have to forget that one. That file is required. Yeah, jQuery file is required. After that, css file. Okay, I will show you what is jQuery file. If you not link properly that file, uh, then like modal not working fine. Okay, so you have to remember these things when you using if you building a modal or carousel whatever, then you have to link three file. It's a css file, jQuery file, and js file. Okay, and orderly you have to mention these things, because first is css file bootstrap.css, then you have to use jQuery file. I will show you that one. I will show. Inside we have dot slash wait dot slash node module jQuery is not there. Why it's jQuery not there? Node module jQuery. I need to install that jQuery, or I will check. Wait, I need jQuery file. So if not, I will not link that file, it's not working finally. So I need jQuery file also. Wait, I will install that jQuery file. npm install jQuery. Sorry, a spelling mistake. Install double a require. npm and install jQuery. Wait. Yesterday I'm searching that file like jQuery file, but it's not mentioned in that node module. That's so not showing in that form. So I need to download that. Before that, any doubt you can ask me, because it's taking time for like 2 minutes or 1 minute to install that one.
सर,
Yeah.
डाउनलोड करने के बजाय हम सीडीएन लिंक भी तो ऐड कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ हाँ, सीरियल लिंक आपको कल मैंने दी था ना, जैसे कि ग्रुप में, वो यूज कर सकते हैं आप. ओके, नो इशू. ओके.
ओके सर.
What is the difference between Cdn link and like local link? If you asking in that form, like Cdn link only for the only like we are using inside a particular file. If you download locally, then you have to use like anywhere like in your laptop. If you want to use inside like C and D drive and F drive, then you can use by linking that file. And if you want to use in cdn link, then you have to like link that particularly in that go to that file, and you have to copy paste these things. Okay, this is a difference.
डाउट है मतलब सीएसएस वेब डेवलपमेंट का नहीं है। ये जो फोल्डर्स के नाम देते हैं ना डॉट डॉट, ये कैसे देते हैं?
हाँ हाँ, ये जो होता है मैंने आपको बोला था पहले से, जैसे कि हमने वर्चुअल हमारा दो जैसे कि लिंक होता है, एक वर्चुअली होता है, एक फिजिकली होता है। जो हम जैसे कि देते हैं सी स्लैश डेस्कटॉप और लाइक सी स्लैश नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू, अगर आप जाओ तो डॉक्यूमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर में हमको एक फोल्डर मिलेगा और एक एग्जाम्पल वन फोल्डर। देन अगर आपको जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल वन फोल्डर में अगर एक फाइल चाहिए तो आप ऐसे लिंक करते हैं। बट यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जैसे कि हम वर्चुअली फाइल लिंक करते हैं, डबल डॉट डॉट का मीनिंग क्या होता है, जैसे कि अगर हमको अगर हम नोड मॉड्यूल, जैसे कि मैंने जे फाइल में हूँ क्योंकि मैंने बूटस्ट्रैप में बनाया है ये फाइल, जैसे कि मॉडल डॉट एचटीएमएल ये बूटस्ट्रैप में बनाया है, तो मुझे ये फाइल से निकलना होगा। तो ये फाइल से निकलने के बाद मुझे नोड मॉड्यूल्स फाइल में जाना है। तो इसके अंदर मैंने इसके जैसे कि बूटस्ट्रैप के अंदर में हूँ मॉडल लाइक मॉडल डॉट एचटीएमएल में, इसलिए मुझको डबल डॉट चाहिए। अगर मैंने बूटस्ट्रैप में था होता तो मुझे वन डॉट में खत्म हो जाता मेरा। ओके, अगर आप जैसे कि वन फोल्डर के अंदर वन फोल्डर है, इसके अंदर फाइल है, तो आपको थ्री डॉट देना पड़ेगा। ओके, तो ये वर्चुअली फाइल आप लिंक करते हैं। ये इसमें क्या होता है, जैसे कि फिजिकल फाइल और वर्चुअल फाइल, अगर आप गिट में जाते को कोई फाइल को लाइव देखते हैं जैसे कि कोई प्रोजेक्ट को, तो वहाँ पे आपको फिजिकली फाइल तो कॉपी नहीं करेगा ना, तो आपको पूरा फाइल को आप गिट हब में लेते हैं। तो इसके जैसे कि बेनिफिट ये होता है कि जो भी इमेज आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जो भी फाइल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जो भी जैसे कि इंस्टॉल वगैरह करते हैं, तो वहाँ पे वो लिंक होके आपको शो करता है गिटहब में। और गिटहब में आप एक लिंक जनरेट होता है, वो लिंक आप सेंड करते किसी को, तो उसका आपका पेज जो होता है शो होता है। मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, मैंने बनाया है थोड़े, वेट आई विल शो यू। मेरा गिटहब था एक, कहाँ जाओ, wait guys, I will show you that GitHub link, how it's work. What is that? What is that? What is that? Wait, I will show you that one. In my WhatsApp is there, I think. Yeah, this one is I think, yeah, Google. I will create a Google like page for by using say HTML CSS. Let's see, I will show you. This is a link http like colon slash slash Jitendra like Jitendra 671 dot github io. My like my portfolio is my folder. Inside we have public file, and inside I have google.html file. If I enter that one, have you have that one, it show me in that form. Okay, this is page I will designing before. Okay, if I show you another one, it's like I think what the name of, okay, I will show you, wait, I need to be open that github. This is my like a I will designing and things, but I need to more, I will show you, wait. We have a portfolio inside the portfolio. I have main and master. In the master we have picture public, yeah, public file, public folder, sorry, it's public folder. I have many file. I will show you one file. So I'm designing order and survey plasma music. Okay, I will copy that one music, and I will remove that Google. Wait, slash Google slash music.html. If I enter, then it show me my like whatever I designing the music file. Okay, this is the music I will designing before. I will show you already in that previous session. But in that I will show you locally, but it's like a live by using like GitHub. I will like link that file. Okay, so I hope you understand like how it's work. You have to better idea about that. Okay, अंतिम मैम आपको समझ में आया ये वाला कैसे लिंक होता है? आपका आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है मुझे. कैन यू हियर मी गाइस?
Yes, sir.
आपका साउंड इशू है, कुछ ठीक करो अंतिम मैम.
हेलो सर, अब
हाँ
आ
अभी
रही है
आवाज आई.
आवाज?
हाँ हाँ
हाँ।
बोलो.
आपकी वीएस कोड वाली फाइल एक बार ओपन करिए।
PS या ये वाला.
हाँ सर, यहाँ पर जो अभी आपने बताया कि बूटस्ट्रैप से बाहर वाला फोल्डर होगा, तो हम कैसे उसको पाथ देंगे? अगर ये जो वेब डेवलपमेंट वाला मेन फोल्डर है आपका, इससे भी बाहर डेस्कटॉप पे अगर दूसरा फोल्डर होता तो कैसे करते? 3 डॉट देते क्या?
अगर देखो यहाँ पे मैंने जैसे कि मैं बनाया है, जैसे कि वेट करो मैं एक फोल्डर बनाता हूँ यहाँ पे. जैसे कि पिक के
नहीं
अंदर
सर,
मेरा
यहाँ पर
फाइल है.
सर,
कहाँ पे बोल रहे हो?
यहाँ पर नहीं। ये जो
और
वेब डेवलपमेंट आपका मेन फोल्डर है ना, सी
हाँ ये मैंने मेरा सी ड्राइव में बनाया है.
हाँ, तो सी ड्राइव में ही अगर दूसरा फोल्डर होता तो कैसे ट्रेस करते?
दूसरा फोल्डर को हम ट्रेस नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि हम ये फोल्डर में काम कर रहे हैं ना. अगर आपको अदर फोल्डर में काम करना है, जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे मेरा सी में बहुत सारा फोल्डर है, तो मेरा डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मैंने प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है, तो वहाँ पे मेरा काम होता है. वेट आई विल शो यू.
दूसरा फोल्डर ट्रेस नहीं कर सकते?
नहीं नहीं, लोकली आप कर सकते हैं फिजिकली, बट ये आपका जैसे कि लोकली शो करेगा, बट वर्चुअली अगर जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे शो नहीं करेगा आपको.
ओके सर,
सी
बस यही
ड्राइव,
बात था।
यहाँ पे मैंने देखो कॉलेज, ये सब मेरा फाइल है. यहाँ पे मैंने ये प्रोजेक्ट बनाया देखो कॉलेज न्यू, तो यहाँ पे मैंने ये फोल्डर को जब भी मुझे जैसे कि लिंक करना है, तो ये फोल्डर में मुझे जाके मैं कर सकता हूँ. ओके, अगर आपको यहाँ पे जैसे कि लिंक करना है तो आप फिजिकली कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि आपको जैसे कि सी लाइक कॉलम स्लैश स्लैश दे के आपको वहाँ फोल्डर देना है, फाइल देना है, इसके अंदर जो फाइल है इसके ऐसे दे के आप कर सकते हैं, बट वर्चुअली आप नहीं कर सकते.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Okay, thank you. So next we have to discuss model. Okay, it's downloaded, completed now. Okay, so bootstrap slash wait, it's node module install already, right? Node module, yeah, jQuery file is there. Node module jQuery inside we have this jQuery.js. These three files are required for designing the model. Okay, then we have to designing the model. Let's see how we designing the model. Okay, wait. So I require a button. When I click that button, it will be shown in that folder. Okay, so wait, I need a button. Before that, I will using class container fluid. Then I need a button inside that. Before that, I will give that its heading. It's like a button, a modal button. If I require write that modal button, inside I need to designing button. So what are the button I require? Click here. Okay, click here this is my button. So in that button I will designing something inside that. Class name I'll give inside the class. It's like btn and btn primary. Okay, this is my class name. So let's designing that one. Yeah. So next thing I require model. Wait, I leave inside. I require model. So class name is you have to write model inside model. Okay. So inside first you have to write model. Then we have to model dialog. In between inside that you have to write model dialog. We have class. Inside the class we have to write model dialog. Okay. So modal dialog we have to done that one. So next thing we have to designing modal content and modal header, all these things. So inside that we have to designing modal content. If it's class that we require modal content. Wait, modal content. Okay, done. So inside the modal content we have to write div under div class inside modal header. Modal header. Okay. So modal header done. Below that we have to write model body class. We have to write model body for body purpose. It's like a body of that particular model. Then I need a model footer. This class model footer. Okay, done. So first thing is that model header I require. Let's say heading. We'll type heading inside that heading. This heading and inside that body I will designing. It's like level, and inside the level I will designing. It's like first name. Okay, it's like I require another level, and before that I require a text box inside that. So this one in the before, this is the last name, last name. Okay, and the text. This is the text also. Okay, wait. So we done that model. Okay, if you want more inside that content, then you have to add all these things. Okay, so if you require in the header part, then you have to use anything copyright, or I will write inside the copyright, rewrite 2021. Okay, so next thing I will link that file. When I click that one, it will be showing that. I will show you how it's work. So in that button I needed data toggle. What is data toggle? I will show you when I will show you practically, then you have to understand better. So data toggle, data bs toggle is required. It's updated now. Data bs toggle, to double gle toggle. It's model. You have to write model. Okay. So next thing is data target. Data bs target. You have to write this target. Okay. So what is bs target? Means when I click the button, it will be target a particular like box. So this box it to be like target the model. It will be target to the model. So I need a ID inside that. So that ID I will give you. What is the ID? I need login. Okay. So I'll using login. It's my ID. Wait. So that login ID I will write inside that login. When I click that button, it will be like focus this one. Okay. Done. So next thing I'll require data model. Data target is done. Wait. I will open that live server, then I'll show you like how much it's done. Wait, yeah, when I click that button, it will be so fine. Okay, so I need one like a, what is that? Uh, like close button inside that. It's a close icon I need, and I require another one. It's like cancel and button, like a submit button, cancel button in between that. So let's designing that one. So inside the button I need, right? So I will design that button. It's submit and cancel. Wait, it's button cancel. So okay. So I require another one inside that span, and inside if you want to use a particular code, like a we have uh, what is that? In that we have in HTML we are writing now for what is the code name? Don't know. It's like 1 2 3 4 semicolon. We are writing for a icon. This day I think what is the code I will show you. What is the code in HTML? Hearts in HTML is the naming of that symbol. Yeah, this one is we are using for that one, this one, and all these things. You can use that one inside that. Okay, no. But if you want to direct inside that, then you have to use cross sign inside that. It's X. Okay, so it's fine now. Okay, but I need that one in the below. But whatever you need, you have to write all these things. Okay, uh, and I need a BR for break line. Okay, done. So we have submit and cancel button, but I need a color inside that. It's like a class and btn primary, and we have class btn secondary. Okay, yeah. So it's showing the perfect right now, but when I click that cancel button, it will be cancel. When I click that cancel that button, it will be close that model. Okay, so how can I do that? I will show you that one also. So I need a class. Only class. It's a data dismiss. I require data bs dismiss. You have to write data bs dismiss. Can you hear me now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sorry
sir.
for that. It's disconnected before 3 minutes or 5 minutes.
So 5 minutes.
Okay, okay, sorry, sorry. Okay, so I will show you that model. When I if you want to close that button using like cancel button, then you have to write inside data dismiss model, and in the class you have to write close. If you want to use that close button, when I like click that particular button, then you have to use data dismiss model and close. Okay, so when I click the button, it will be show me all these things. When I click the cancel, it will cancel, and when I click that button say close button, then it will close. Okay. If you're designing the more, then you have to add something, and you have to designing that one its color and all these things. Okay. And if you want to submit that that all the data will be goes to the server, then you have to use all server side programming. Okay. So I hope you understand how its model work, and I will share you that one for your understanding, and for you have to see all these things how it's work. And before that, I will show you told you what is data BS toggle and data BS target. So when you before 4.6, we are using data toggle and data target and data dismiss, but now in that 5 version we are using data BS dismiss. Okay, so toggle means I want to when I click that button, it will be toggle that model. Okay, what is the target means? When I click that button, it will be target the particular div. So I'll write inside that ID is login. So when I click that data, click here, then it will be show me in that particular div. Okay. So inside that, before you have to write hot sign, because it will be give a idea about that to that bootstrap. We are using ID in that particular to target the particular div. Okay. And data dismiss means if you want to dismiss the particular means close that one, so you have to use data dismiss. Okay. And what is fade we are using? And fade effect means when I close that button, it will be goes slowly. Okay, fade. Okay. And if I remove the fade of option inside that, it's coming automatically, then it goes automatically. Okay. But if you using inside that fade, then it the effect is different. Okay. I hope you understand these things. If you have any doubt regarding modal, then you can ask me the chat box, as well as that unmute yourself and ask me later. I will share you that code. So tomorrow I will discuss with you carousel and all these things. What are the bootstrap things is there? Okay. You can write in the chat box if you no doubt. Okay. Okay, guys, give your attendance. You can leave now. Thank you so much for your patience, for your understanding, and for your listening me. Bye. And if apply these things in that your project, so you have to remember all the classes, all these things. Okay, you have to apply whatever I assignment I will give you inside the classroom.